Y'all hear that? That's a crow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, on this Facebook Live, wish I could have done a YouTube Live, you know, eventually on YouTube. Okay, so I'm out here. It's cloudy out here, as y'all can see the clouds upstairs. I mean, up there. Yep. So, early morning vlog. Okay. So, today is 2020. Wait, what's the? About to go in here and read the calendar. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. Okay. So sometimes I miss the track of the days. Okay. If that crow don't shut up. Luckily he way over there. Yep, it's still a little dark out here though. Okay. Early morning vlog. Okay. Before Hurricane Zeta hit us. Okay. So good morning to y'all. If you're waking up watching this show, good morning. Even though it's cloudy, it's still a beautiful morning. Yep.